video, we'll be going over how I mix my paints for my acrylic pour art. I tend to use Floetrol as the pouring medium, and then you also need acrylic paints. That's really all you need to get started, but I also use a strainer, a mesh strainer, as fine as possible, just in case there's extra clumps in the pouring medium. I like to get those out before I start painting or mixing. It just helps a little bit in the process later on, so you're not picking pieces out bit by bit. And this is just a standard mixing bowl. Got it at the dollar store, nothing fancy. And so these are what I use. This is it. So let's get started. Shake it up a little bit. It doesn't need to be shaken too much because you don't want too many air bubbles, but I do want to mix it up a little bit. And just pour. And now I can pour this into smaller mixing cups to mix the individual paint colors. If there were extra bits in here, like extra pieces, I might strain it again just in case there was something that slipped through the cracks. But I don't really see a whole bunch in here, so I'm trusting that this first strain was enough. So hopefully that'll do the trick. Now for mixing the paint color, you just need your acrylic paint, a mixing cup, a stir stick of some kind, and your pouring medium. And I'm just going to be honest, I don't do exact portions. I don't measure everything out for mixing paints. I go off of feel. That is typically because the acrylic paints come in slightly different levels of thickness already, so it's hard to say until you start mixing it what the right portion will be. It tends to be about 70 parts medium to 30 of paint mixture. So since I'm guessing, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of mixture, a little bit of pouring medium, and a little bit of paint. And see how that mixes. As you're mixing, especially since the see-through cup really helps, you want to make sure to scrape all the bottom, get that all in there. Make sure you're getting all the sides. Mix it as well as possible. And then that is really runny. So I'm going to add more paint. And it's not even the same color as the original paint, so I know I need more paint, because I want it to at least be the same color.